How to use the Remini app. Firstly, open the Remini app. Then click on AI photos and upload your selfies. Now you could either use your camera if you have good lighting system, or you can take existing photos from your photo library. And that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so right now this is my photo library. So I'm just going to take out some time and select some photos from my library. Well, it must be up to 12 photos. Now it states there, it says select up to 12 items, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you take out some time and select some photos. While selecting photos, make sure that they're photos that show your face clearly. Do not select group photos. Now here we go. Continue. You click on continue after it displays the photos you selected. Now select your gender. I'm a female, and pick your model image. So I'm going to be going with this model image. Let's see where it takes us to. Yeah, this is the model image we selected, and now it's working on my photos. So it's going to take you a little time to work on your photos. You can always click notify me. Now here's what we got. If you like this, you want to get more tips, look up my page and subscribe for more tips.